We are here in front of the US Embassy in Pretoria. I guess at this moment there's about 1,500 plus people, maybe closer to 2,000. Our people really came out in support of President Donald Trump and to show him that we are all standing in solidarity with his message and what is really happening here in South Africa. Okay, gaan we net so kap.